Okay, here you go. You can record. Just put your hand down there. What you got? Oh, do I have to introduce myself? Okay. Hi guys. Say hi.
Hi.
Welcome to our first video. It's gonna be a little crappy because it is on my phone. But what are we doing, baby? What are we doing?
Skateboarding.
This is not skateboarding. What are we doing? Yeah, it's a duck boat. I wish I could flip this over to show you guys. But we are currently riding on a duck boat. We are in Long Beach. We just finished having lunch. Where did we go eat?
At Nina's house.
At Nina's job, which is my son's godmother, Julio. This is my son. We like to do adventures together, right, baby? Look, Abe. Look, are you being shy? Oh my God. Good thing you're getting a haircut on Friday. How dare you leave me to do all the work? You are no fun. So am I just supposed to be like your Uber driver? Am I just your Uber driver?
No.
No?
I can help you.
You're gonna help me? Okay. We gotta sit right. But
My name is Abelardo Garcia.
your name's Abelardo Garcia. And how old are you?
4.
4? What?
Bruh.
What's wrong?
We're not gonna make it.
What?
We're not gonna make it.
Make it where?
Do that.
To what?
That.
How do you want us to make it when you're leaving me to be the only one pedaling?
I wanna pedal.
Careful. I have a feeling you're gonna fall. What's wrong? Oh no. Sorry guys, he's a little upset. Horrible. You're not too happy right now? No? Yeah, we can kind of tell. It's okay though.
I want to take it like that.
You wanna be the one to record?
No.
Ow. Okay, wait. Roanna V. Hi guys. And my son is the one behind the camera.
Bruh.
The sun's in my face.
I know.
What should we do after this?
Take a picture.
Oh, we should take a picture?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like this.
See? Ew! Why are you so cute? Alright, so we are on our way back.
The sun is hitting me.
Let me see. Well, oh no, the sun is hitting you. I'm so sorry.
Go there.
You want to go over there? Okay. Careful, okay? Sorry, the sun's like in my face. We're on our way back. Since I'm the only one pedaling, I'm a little tired. I wish my son was a little longer so he can help. But right now, hey, Mama luchona pato por pato right here, okay? It was tiring, I'm sorry. We should have never tried this, Abel. We should have tried this when it was me, you, and someone else at least, so they can help me.
Oh, we should try to,
What?
we should try the so we can pedal.
Oh, we should have brought Jaylene. So she would have been the. Why did we just turn around? Look at the wind turned us around. I don't think they want us to leave. What do you think? You ready to go?
I want to go scooter riding.
You want to go scooter riding? All right, we can go scooter riding as soon as we make it back to the dock and take this thing back because we're about to crash. We're
Let's leave.
Oh, we crashed.
1 hour later.
Oh, finally. We are off.
Let's go scooter riding.
We are done.
Oh, let's take
That
a break on
was
the grass.
a workout. What happened?
Let's take a break on the grass.
You want to take a break on the grass? Okay. We gotta take a break on the grass because it's hot. What happened? We're going fast? We are done. No more boats. My son made me break a sweat. You made me sweat, kid. You made me break a sweat. Where are we going? This way. We gotta cross the street. Abel, did you have fun?
Yeah!
Got to go home. Let's go take a break by the stairs since it's fresh. Right? Oh my god. Cannot wait to cut his hair on Friday.
Hi guys! Today, don't forget to subscribe and click on our channel. Welcome to our channel! And don't forget to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe, right? Don't. Oh my god.
That's all.
So we're at the park. It's been 108 something degrees today. It's been a really hot day. I'm trying to convince him to get some Starbucks with me. What's your favorite drink from Starbucks?
Vanilla bean.
Huh?
Vanilla bean.
A vanilla bean? Yeah, if you ever want to make him happy, buy him a vanilla bean. A tall. It's just been a hot day. I had to take my son out because it was going to be a hot, irritating day if we didn't do anything. I personally don't like the heat. My son doesn't either. It does get him in a bad mood. It like drains him. It gets him very tired. And he gets that from his mom because it's the same for me. I know. We're sweaty.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so we're home.
Yeah, and Gucci.
What is that?
How are you?
Oh. We're home. We had a great day. Abel, did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Hey, look.
Sure.
Did you have, what do you mean sure? Did you have fun? Yes or no?
Sure.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.